Hello, my awesome friends. How are you? I hope you're having a good spring. If you're in Canada, we're finally getting a little bit of good weather here in southwestern Ontario. So it's been kind of nice. But I have to admit, I don't mind the winter because then I get to stay in and scrapbook. When the weather's nice out, I feel guilty being inside. So, do you guys feel like that? Let me know. Anyway, speaking of spring in Southwest Ontario, we were supposed to do Scrapfest a couple of weeks ago. That was in April. About a month ago now. And the ice storm from HE double hockey sticks came. So that would be my friend Kathy and I, and my stepmother-in-law, stayed home because we didn't want to venture out for the 2-hour drive. That would have probably taken 4 hours with the weather. It's just not worth it, but we were so sad, and I'm still not over it. It takes me a while. I wanted to go so bad, but what can you do? At least we're alive and safe. If you guys went, comment down below. How was it? Was anybody there? Let me know. I'd be really curious. But what I did, I said to myself, okay, so I would have spent a chunk of change at Scrapfest, which I don't regret. I'm always happy when I do. But what I did instead, I went to Michael's, I ordered something on Peachy Cheap, and then I did a little order with 2 scrapbook friends. So I kind of, you know, made myself feel a little bit better since I missed Scrapfest. So let me show you quick what I got. Nothing major, just some cute little things. These are Recollections, who seem to be stepping up their game. These, because my son is 9.5, I'm buying baby stuff. Because I have not finished all of his baby stuff. I'm actually excited to go back to that. So here's some baby boy stuff. And I got the exact same collection for my baby girl, who is going to be 12 in September. Yep. So Mama's got a lot of scrapping to do. But these are cute, aren't they? Not everything in here is my style, but I don't care. The majority of it is. That, and then I always wait until these guys go on for 50% off. So I got this adorable 6x6 paper pad, also by Recollections. And this is Poolrific, and I've already used so much out of here. It's really cute. I love that. And I also got this one. I also used a lot out of it. Cheeky Modern Pop. Really, 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 really cute. There you go. So that's from Michael's. And then I go there like once a week just to buy my dot adhesive. My Recollections dot adhesive. That's what I've started really loving to use. So there's that. So when I go, I try to look for stuff. But they haven't changed up their stuff for a long time. It's kind of, you know how Michael's is. Anyhow, I also placed a Peachy Cheap order, and it gets me sometimes because it's in US funds. So it's like, oh my God, you think it's a deal at $9.99. By the time they put on, do the exchange and the shipping, it ain't so much a deal. But whatever, I wanted this. It's the Pebbles Birthday Wishes collection. I've already dug into this. See, there's a really, really cute die cuts and acetate pieces. So that's what that is there. And you also get 2 washies. I don't use washi a lot, but they're adorable. I should, really. And oh my gosh, are these not the cutest things? These are little confetti enamel dots. I freaking love them. And of course, my daughter, who is as much a cat lover as I, said that these would make great fake nails for her kitten. Oh my God, Juliana, you're crazy. But they would, I agree. And also with that collection came the Happy Hooray paper pad, 6x6, and there's a lot of good stuff in there. So I'm glad I got it. And then our local, not so local scrapbook store is 2 scrapbook friends. So I was on the hunt for ephemera. That's what I would have really wanted to get at, to stock up on at Scrapfest. So I just did it this way. I ordered online. So I have a lot of weddings still to scrapbook. So I figured this one would be really nice. The Always and Forever. really cute die cuts, and that is Simple Stories. I love Simple Stories. Love. So there's that. Then I got this adorable little thing here. It's Bug Explorer Ephemera die cuts by Bella Boulevard. Look how cute. I know there's some really cute pictures from when my kids were little. When they were getting bugs and there were butterflies and all kinds of stuff. So that, I don't think I've scrapbooked them. So that's going to be for that. And then, Doodlebug is adorable. It's a little cutesy for my liking. Like, I don't like all those little fruits and stuff with faces for scrapbooking. I like them as stickers, like in a planner or something. But regardless of the fact that they're very cute, I think these are very versatile. These aren't too cutesy for me. So this is Doodlebug's Chit Chat Hello, and I love these. So 94 die cuts in this package. They are so cute and so versatile. Love them. Then I also got the Doodlebug, well, I can't read that because the price tag's over it. Here it is. Oh, just Chit Chat Sweet Summer. So much of the same, but look how cute. I love those colors. Really cute, cute, cute. And then I got the Chit Chat Down on the Farm because my in-laws live on a farm. They own a little farm about an hour and a half away from us, and we go there quite often. And they've got the cutest, most weird-looking sheep and goats I've ever seen. So we take a lot of pictures of them, and this is going to be perfect for that. And then there's always people having babies. It's always good to have this. Oh Baby Bits and Pieces by, again, my favorite Simple Stories. Mind you, like I said, I also have a lot of my own baby stuff to finish up, so there you go. There's that. And here's a random thing in here from Creative Memories. This isn't even from Two Scrapbook Friends, but I'm a Creative Memories consultant, and I only and always exclusively use Creative Memories albums. So every time I order page refills, which I usually order 2 or 3 times a year, you order 6 packs at a time, which is the pages and the protectors that come together. I ordered that, and I ordered a couple of pens this time around, and 2 packages of these beautiful, beautiful fall embossed leaf die cuts. They are really, really nice. So I got that as well. And I won't show you the papers. It's just my album pages that I work on. But if you need any Creative Memories stuff, I will link my link down below. All right. Obviously, I'm on a baby theme. No, I do not want another baby. I just love babies and love scrapbooking them. So there you go. Simple Stories. This goes along with the die cuts I just showed you. The Oh Baby collection. Very cute. Then I was just in the mood for a piece of glittery white for no reason in particular. I don't know. I might use it for a wedding. I might use it for my daughter's communion. It's just pretty, and I wanted it. So there's that white glitter. Isn't that mesmerizing? Woo! Love it. Then just some random paper because I need more paper, don't I? I just decluttered a bunch. I'm going to show you that one day too, but I just decluttered a bunch. So I thought, okay, I got rid of like 1,000-something pieces. It won't hurt me to add like 20 pieces to my collection. So there you go. I got this. This is Simple Stories I Am Living Vibrantly, and I absolutely adore this. It's so pretty. That, and then this is also from that collection. Very pretty. I just lately started liking florals. I love that. I didn't buy it for this. I bought it for these. And then check this one out. Crafty Girl. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? I love the colors, and I love the wonkiness of this. It's so pretty. That's nice too. That's what I wanted. And then this reminds me of macaroons, or macarons, however you pronounce them. Also Simple Stories. Isn't that adorable? and I have just the occasion to scrapbook that. These are very cute too, but I didn't want that. I want that. And then I always have to catch up with my summer stuff. We take so many pictures in the summer. So here's cute little fishies, Kaiser Craft Summer Splash Collection, which I'm pretty sure I already have, but I love it. Then I got Pebbles Night Night Gone Fishing. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. More fish, Echo Park Under the Sea. There you go. Sorry if my throat still sounds funny, guys. I'm still not 100% over whatever the heck it was that I had. It's taking a while. Anyway, I feel fine. I just sound horrific. Oh my gosh, I'm tired too. A Perfect Autumn, Lori Whitlock. I love autumn stuff. That's cute too, but I really wanted the florals. And then Sweet Boy. Gee, Lori Whitlock's good. I like her. This is Sweet Boy, or Sweet Baby Boy, Boy Oh Boy by Lori Whitlock for Echo Park. Adorable. Those are cute. I'd cut those out. I wouldn't really use them as a sheet like that, but that's what I wanted. And then Baby Girl, Sweet Baby Girl, again by Lori Whitlock. This is called Baby Ribbons, and they're just cute little girl feet. Adorable. That's cute too, ribbons, but I wanted the little baby feet. And Wish Upon a Star by Echo Park. I haven't finished my Disney stuff, so this will be perfect for that. This is okay, but I wanted that. And then look how pretty this is. This is Doodlebug Hello. Tickled Pink, it's called. And it's adorable. Cute little tiny flowers. Oh, that's a perfect match to my nail polish. Nice. Nice pink. But I love those flowers. And look at this cuteness. This is Grass. This is Sweet Summer by Doodlebug. And I definitely bought it for that side, although that's cute too. But that's too cute for me. That's what I was talking about. I don't scrapbook with these adorable little things. I don't know. They're very adorable, but recently I bought one of these. This is Cartabella, and this is the Cartopia. This is the side, the A side, but I love the B side. And I used up a whole sheet of this for a birthday layout, and I need more, so adorable. And more Cartabella, Hello Fall. Ooh, one sec. A lovely plaid, but look how pretty. These little acorns. This is called Cozy Fall. Very cute. And then I wanted some more stars. These are adorable as well. This is Bella Little Man Papers. Just adorable. I love these colors. And then I definitely love scrapbooking with clouds in the summer and spring. So this one is adorable. This is also Bella paper, Little Man. Look how cute the back is too. Aw, but I did buy it for that. I love it with the little tiny polka dots. And this is beautiful. I've had this one before. I've scrapped with it before as well. This is the Bella Boulevard Let's Go Perfect Weather Cloud paper. Look how cute that is. I love it. And there's the stripe in the back. Then I have Bug Explorer by Bella Boulevard. And you got it. Got it for the clouds. I like these because they can also be cut out nice and easy. And that's freaking adorable. So those can also be cut out, but I did buy the die cuts that have them in them. So that's what I wanted. And then I am really behind on school pictures. I don't know why. They're pretty easy to scrapbook. But I thought this would be really cute. So this is Bella Boulevard Pop Quiz Test Anxiety. Who doesn't get anxiety? Right? Oh man, aren't you glad that school's done? I would not want to be going back to school. As much as I don't like working, I'd rather be working. Here's more of that bug paper. Wiggle Wiggle, Bug Explorer, Bella Boulevard. Looks like a picnic, like picnic napkins or a picnic tablecloth. But no, I got it for that. And this is just cute. You can always use hearts. So there's some hearts. I'm not a big cream-based background fan. This is cream-based. I'll make it work, but I really prefer white. Oh, but this is Chamel Box of Crayons, and this is supposed to be the A side, which is adorable because we love cats, but I'm not fond of the paper. I really like that. Then, this is just adorable. I got it for no reason in particular, but I just like the wonky dots. Cameras are cute too. This is also Chamel's Box of Crayons, Snapshot. But I like this side. And the last thing I got, because I have a really hard time finding Easter stuff that I like. Not even that I like, just finding Easter stuff, period. I got this cute little Hello Easter collection. And this is also Echo Park, which happens to be right up there for me with Simple Stories. Love it. And there's all the cuteness that comes in it. Yo, look at that. Little chickies, carrots, eggs, bunnies. Look at that. I love the sticker sheet. So there you go, guys. Nothing earth-shatteringly exciting, but it's exciting for me. I have been trying to make more and more time to scrapbook because it is, for me, something that is on my list. I literally put that on my list of things to do, scrapbook. And I put down, like, I'm very goal-oriented. I remember mentioning that before. I like saying, okay, over the weekend I'll do 2 layouts, which is 4 pages for me because I do double page. And that gets me excited. I love ticking stuff off my list, and I love getting stuff done. And damn it, if I can make scrapbooking part of my chore list, I will do it. It gives me an excuse and a reason, and nobody can complain because it's on my list, right? Anyway, guys, hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you later, and I thank you 1,000 times for coming to my channel, commenting, liking, and subscribing. Love you guys. Take care. Ciao for now.